low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go. Highway, or the highway, and in the drive.
What's up, guys, and welcome to Onourshelf. Today I'm reviewing the Beats Studio Pro. I have the 5th versions. I have the deep brown color, and these are really nice. They are over-the-ear headphones, and the design of these headphones are simple, sleek, and elegant, and sporty too. These headphones are foldable and great for music, fitness, travel, and gaming. The ear cups are plush and made of synthetic leather, and they do not feel tight on your ears. They feel very comfortable. You can adjust the headphones to make them fit on your head, whatever size head you have, big or small, or a medium size head. You get 40 hours of usage on a full charge. For example, I get about 3 to 4 weeks of usage. I use these headphones about 3 days out of the week, and they stay charged without having me to recharge it. The headband is flexible, it has a good grip, and it's adjustable. It comes with a USB-C cable and a 3.5mm audio cable. These headphones are great while listening to music, and also they have great high quality call performance. They're also noise canceling headphones. These headphones come in a variety of colors. You have black, deep brown, navy blue, and sandstone. Again, we have the deep brown color. These are really fun and solid, entertaining headphones. They are really comfortable on your head when you're working out, and they do a great job at blacking out the majority of noise if you're at the gym or something like that. And the Beats Studio Pro delivers surround sound, so it feels like you're surrounded by speakers. And as far as the sound goes, it has 40mm drivers. Beats Studio Pro is great for a variety of sounds of music, like classical music, jazz, rap music. It has very great bass. Again, these headphones sound great. They're super comfortable, and the noise canceling is fantastic. Again, these headphones feel very comfortable. They have a tight fit, but they're not tight feeling, if you know what I mean. So it's great. They stay on your head. They're not loose. Overall, the Beats Studio Pros are great headphones. The quality is great. The sound quality is amazing. They look great. They look cool. Listening to music is a part of my everyday life, and I love these headphones. The control buttons are very easy to use. Press up for volume up. Press down for volume down. Press the Beats logo to play or pause a track. Press the Beats logo twice to skip a track. Press the Beats logo 3 times to go back a track. Press the Beats logo once to answer a phone call. Press the Beats logo twice to ignore a phone call. While on a phone call, press the Beats logo once to mute or unmute the call. So if you're into traveling, fitness, and gaming, and you're looking for a new pair of headphones, I would highly recommend these Beats Studio Pros. They're great. I will put some links down in the description box for you to purchase them if you are interested. Comment, like, and share this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, and thanks for watching. Bye.